Here's how to fix the black bars and white lines in VLC and a few small changes. First thing you need to do is shut down any versions of VLC you've got open. Close this as well. Right click the desktop. Go to display settings. Expand this so you can see. Go down here to display resolution down here. It should be set to 3840 by 2160. If yours is set to any higher, to 4096 by 2160, that's the problem. 4096 is cinema resolution, 3840 is standard UHD. The mismatch causes black bars, especially in VLC. Again, just scroll yours back down. If it's any higher than this one, if it's too small for you, you can always adjust the scaling. Next thing to fix, scrolling down, in the advanced display, set your refresh rate to the highest it will go. So mine's currently on 30, set it to 120, and keep the changes. Most guides miss this. Close VLC completely, reopen it, and check the right edge. Okay, let's open up our demo video just to see if it's sorted the problem. Go to downloads, demo video, double click the top. As you can see, no black bars. If it's still there, there's some fast fixes you can try. Fast fix number 1, resetting VLC and DPI scaling. So to do that one, just right click, quit VLC, close the demo, close this, VLC player, right click, go to properties, compatibility, and change high DPI settings. Uncheck any overrides if it's available for you. Just uncheck this one, and that should go to Windows default. Once you've unchecked that one, there should be an OK button. Apply and OK. Just click OK, click apply and OK. That should sort it out. That's fast fix number 1. Fast fix number 2 is the DPI scaling I was talking about. If you right click your desktop, go to display settings, got scale resolution here. Turn this down to 100%. But yeah, put yours on 100%. See if that resolves your issue. I have to leave mine on 150 for this tutorial or you won't be able to see the screen. But yeah, for you at home, change yours to 100%. Okay, let's close this. Fast fix number 3 is actually in VLC's settings. Let's open up VLC. Go to Tools. Go to Preferences. Go to Video. Go to Output. Down here. Currently set to automatic. Try OpenGL or Direct 3D. This varies on your graphic card, so try the Direct 3D or the OpenGL output. Once you've selected one of these, click Save, close VLC, restart. Let's run our little test video again. And fast fix number 4 is make sure you got the 64-bit version of VLC. So go to Google Chrome, type in VLC, media player. We'll just reject those. Go to the official VideoLAN website. Make sure you select the 64-bit edition. Click on that one. I'm going to reject the cookies. And it should start to download. Up here, click on the 64-bit edition. Click OK. Next, 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 install. Just click Finish. If you run our demo video again, click on Explorer, Downloads, VLC demo, should start to play. There you go. No black lines either side, no white line on the right side either. So these are the most common fixes for VLC black bars and white lines. Make sure your resolution is 3840 by 2160. The refresh rate is at the highest stable one your monitor can do. And if you need to, install the 64-bit, reset the DPI, check the scaling and change the output. This isn't a VLC issue, it's a Windows Display Mass issue. Next video on screen will show you more helpful fixes for your PC. I'll see you over there.